Today we'll talk about how can you enable special audio on your Clubhouse app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Come here to special audio here. So then you just click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us. That means special audio enable with us now here, like you say. So that's all you have to do to enable this sign. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.